Step outside, feel the earth beneath our feet. Sunlight breaking through, it's a heart-warming treat. Together we wander through the trees so tall. Brothers in this moment, we'll never let it fall. Laughing with every step, the rhythm of our pace. Nature holds the secrets, we're finding our place. Fresh air in our lungs, the scent of pine and dew. Awakening our senses, everything feels new. Walking in nature, hand in hand, side by side. Discovering the beauty that the world can provide. Know the ground we tread, love the skies above. In this bond of brotherhood, we find the strength of love. Every rustle in the leaves, every whisper in the breeze reminds us of our story, what it means to be free. We share tales of our journeys and dreams we still hold tight. Among the hills and valleys, everything feels right. Look up at the sky, see the canvas up high. Each star a reminder of the connections that never die. With every step forward, we're tracing our roots, grounded in this friendship like the old wise tree. Walking in nature, hand in hand, side by side. Discovering the beauty that the world can provide. Know the ground we tread, love the skies above. In this bond of brotherhood, we find the strength of love. Feel the water flowing, hear the mountains sing. In this vast expanse, we're always discovering. Take a moment to cherish the wonders that we see. Nature's gentle wisdom reminding you and me. The wildflowers bloom, the eagle in its flight. In every little detail, there's a world shining bright. Together we vow to nurture, protect what we adore. For there's magic all around us, let's open every door. Walking in nature, hand in hand, side by side. Discovering the beauty that the world can provide. Know the ground we tread, love the skies above. In this bond of brotherhood, we find the strength. So let's breathe in the moment, let's make this our song. Nature's calling us forward where we both belong. With every road we wander, every path that we take, we're brothers in this journey, make no mistake. Walking in nature, it's a gift we embrace together forever in this sacred space.